In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a whole lot of drywall damage in one wall. Let's get into it right now. Alright guys, we're going to jump straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is use my utility knife and cut around the outside of all these larger holes, making sure everything sits nice and flush. Now on these smaller holes I really don't have to do much with, but the top ones I do. I've replicated what I've seen quite a few times is somebody trying to find a stud with just a drill and a screw, and they end up missing quite a few times. So all we're going to do on this is we're just going to take our razor blade and trim everything nice and smooth. Now that we have all that done, it's time to mix up our hot mud. I've got a small Ziploc bag with 1 part water, and I'm going to add 2 parts of our hot mud, or the Easy Sand 5. And once it's all in the bag, we're just going to mix it up. Once we're done mixing it up, we're just going to pipe it directly onto the wall, but mine was a little thin, so I decided to leave it for a couple of minutes and come back to it. Now that it's thickened up a little bit, I'm just going to pull the corner of the bag off and pipe it directly onto the wall. Now that we have that on the wall, I'm just going to use a 6-inch drywall blade, and I'm just going to go around smoothing everything over, making sure everything's sitting just a little bit proud so we have something to sand off. And on the screw holes, I'm going to make sure to work it back and forth quite a few times to make sure that mud works its way into those screw holes. Now that everything's dry, we're just going to go around sanding everything nice and smooth, making sure to feather those edges. With everything sanded, we're just going to go around with a damp rag, cleaning everything up. Alright, we've got everything clean and it's finally time to paint. I'm going to get my primer on a roller, a snap, and get it on the wall. I've got my color on a roller, we're going to snap and get it on the wall, and we're going to snap one more time and hit that subscribe button.